Hello viewers, you are highly welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial today, we are going to be looking at this question on this board. But before the commencement of the solving, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, consider subscribing today. Hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new content. You can also follow our Facebook page, Shitu Mathematics Class. Now, let's get started and see what we are going to do. So now the question says to solve 4 over 9 to the power root x equals to 27 over 8 to the power root x minus 5. So now when you look at this question, this is an exponential equation, but this is taking another form of dimension, okay? But we are still under the same exponential equation. So I want you to follow me and see what you are going to do. Now from here, if you want to solve this one now, so we try to make sure that we take this to the lowest common base. That is, the base that will be here must also be here if you actually want to bring down the powers. So now to do that, so what do we have to do? So now we can try to reduce 4 over 9 and 27 over 8 to their simplest form. How are we going to do that? So we are going to have from here, let's say 2, you know that 2 to power 2 can be as 2 to power 4. I mean, it can be 4, and you can have 9 to power 2 here, then root x. And also, from here, we can have this to be 3 to power 3 here, and we have this to be 2 to power 3, okay, root what? Root x minus what? Minus 5. So now, if you agree with me from here, so we can still bring this power, because they are having the same power, we can bring this power to be outside, okay? So now we can have this to be 2 by 3 to power 2 root x. So now I just brought out this power out. Are you getting it now? So now also I can do the same thing here. I have 3 over 2 to power 3 into brackets root x minus what? Minus 5. Are you following? So now from here, what's the next thing to do? You can see that we have 2 over 3 here, we have 3 over 2 here. Up to now, they are not still the same. Are you getting now? But what can we do? To either this one or this one to make what? To make them the same. So now what we can do here is that I want to take these two. If these two can come up and these 3 should come down, you can see that we are going to have 2 over 3 and this place will be 2 over 3. So now, changing this, I get now, we actually affect what? We actually affect the power. And this is what we are going to have. So now, changing this one, it means this power is going to be negative. I get now. So you are going to have 2 over 3. Okay, you can see that we have changed their position. So definitely this will be minus 1 times 3, minus 1. And minus 1 times 3, you are going to have what? You are going to have 3 into bracket root x minus 5. Are you getting it now? You can see that we can have the same basis now. 2 over 3 is here, 2 over 3 here. So now from the law of what? Indices, so whenever the two bases are equal, so we need what? We need to equate the power. So therefore, we are going to have 2 root x equals to minus 3 root what? Root x minus what? Minus 5. So now from here, what's the next thing to do? So we try to open this bracket here. From the left and the right hand side, we are going to have minus 3 root what? Root x. Then minus times minus, we are going to have plus 3 times 5, we are going to have what? 15. And we have this to be 2 root what? 2 roots. Sorry, this is root x, not root 5. 2 root x. So now from here, what do you think we can do? We can have 2 root x by collecting the last time. Let this one come here. Okay, we are going to be having plus 3 root what? 3 root x equals to what? Equals to what? Equals to 15. So now from here, what's the next thing to do? So the next thing to do here is to take out the common factor from here. You can see that we have root x here, we have root x here. So therefore, root x is the common factor. So now bringing root x out outside, I can have root x into bracket 2 plus 3 here. We have 2 plus 3, okay, equals to what? Equals to 15. Are you there? So now from here, what's the next thing to do from here? You can see that we have root x into bracket what? 5, because 2 plus 3 is going to give us 5 equals to what? Equals to 15. So now from here, we can divide 2 by 5. So when we divide 2 by 5, you can see that this will actually cancel this. Are you getting it? So now from here, we have root x to be equals to 15 divided by 5 is going to give us what? It's going to give us 3. And we are looking for the value of what? We are looking for the value of x. So now, squaring the both sides, okay, these two will actually cancel this square root, and we have x here, and we have 3 to the power 2 to be what? To be 9. Okay, and x equals to 9 is the solution to this one, to this problem. Okay, and that is going to be the end of this tutorial. If you find this class very interesting, do not hesitate to follow our Facebook page, and also consider subscribing to our YouTube channel so that you'll be able to see more of our exciting videos. Also, take or share this to your learning colleagues so that they can also benefit from it. Thank you for watching. Bye.